Hello friends, it's Danny here of Danny's Dreams. Today I'm stopping by to share more loaded envelopes that I've created. I created these for the previous Build Your Stash Holiday Card Makers Linky Party. I was a sponsor and this was my prize, so I did say that I would sponsor two, so I have two. They are mostly identical, just some of the papers were changed a little bit, because I realized as I was putting these together, I don't have very much holiday 12 by 12 paper. Might have to cure that. So let's take a look at what's inside these fabulous loaded envelopes. Since this was a little bit of a bigger prize than my normal There's a Stamp for That challenge, there is just a little bit more in each of them, but it's still just a little fun way to say congrats on winning. So like I said, they are basically identical, so I'm only going to show one of them. Just the envelopes are different, basically, is the only difference. So we have a Lawn Fawn stamp set, and everything is holiday themed since it was a holiday Linky Party. So Lawn Fawn stamp set. Then an envelope, and it is filled with all the shapes, and they're all stitched so that they, like I've said in the previous videos, kind of like a little card kit. They can put it together. Another envelope chocked full of doilies and lots of ephemera from Not Too Shabby. That one must not have gotten pressed down enough there. And then a little Sunny Studios stamp set. Super cute. And then, since it's November, each of them got two tags, Deck the Halls. Isn't it interesting? They're both the same stamp set, but I stamped that a couple extra times, and I kind of lost some of the detail. It still looks nice. Just kind of interesting to me there. So, and then the envelope itself. Super fun. I hope that the winners really enjoy receiving this and have fun with it. And as usual, I am having the best time creating them. So there is what is going out for prizes for the Build Your Stash Holiday Card Makers Linky Party prizes. And everything will be in the description box as to like my blog post, a link to the Build Your Stash Holiday Card Makers blog where you can follow along. Each month we have a sketch, and then 3 times a year there is a Linky Party with tons of sponsors, and it's just a super fun way to build up your stash of holiday cards. And until my next video, I hope you have an amazing day and go do something crafty.